Afternoon, Agent Energy Carbon Clean. We're here in and around Leicester today. We've got a Vauxhall Vivaro 1.9 diesel. It's a 53 plate. This one has had intermittent puffs of black smoke coming out of it, erratic idle. One thing that we found when we did the diagnostics was a code for the mass airflow sensor, and we've popped in here, had a look, and this pipe here, just after the MAF sensor, was actually just loosely covering the end. It wasn't actually on, the clip's missing. That would certainly explain why you've got a mass airflow problem or sensor problem, and why you're getting intermittent erratic idling and black smoke problems. The other thing we found with this one, the temperature display on the dash was kind of fluctuating in and around. The assumption there was that the dashboard display was at fault. I've plugged the diagnostics in, we're looking at the live data on the coolant temperature, and that's flicking around all over the place and really low as well. So that could be down to a sensor, could well be down to a thermostat that's broken basically. The car appears to drive okay apart from the black smoke. Both those things are going to affect the fuel air mix. The other thing we've pulled up is glow plug controller box. Looks like it's gone as well. Clear that code and it's straight back on as soon as we start it. So there's three things for the owner to get looked at. Get that. We're going to put the pipe back on and secure it in place now. If that issue persists with the airflow sensor circuit, then a new MAF sensor potentially. Get the thermostat and the temperature sensor checked for the coolant, and the heat plug circuit control box, basically the glow plug controller box, needs looking at as well. No clean on this today. These issues need sorting out first, and then we can come back at a later date and finish off the clean.